Hello and welcome to another video for Miniature Tanks Company. In this video we'll be assembling this Famo kit. So first of all, let's go ahead and do the clipping away of sprues. So this little sprue gets cut away. And here's the little steering wheel. There you go. Good. Yes, there is this piece. Great. Oh, and then there's this piece here. Alright, done clipping away process. Let's go ahead and start to glue. So first of all, just put a bunch of glue there. And then go ahead and place this piece down like that. There you go. Up next actually is this piece. So I'll go ahead and put some glue. Whoop, that was a lot of glue. Well, that'll be enough glue. Go ahead and put this piece there. Alright, so the vehicle is coming together. Alright, so next go ahead and put a little glue down like that. Put a little glue here and there. Then go ahead and put some glue there. Alright, great. Up next, go ahead and put a little glue here. There you go. Next I'm going to go ahead and put a little glue here. And then just cruising along, let's put a little glue there. Get these tweezers. There you go. Next for this back bed, make sure this is facing the back with the details, not that one. So go ahead and put a little glue there, there, just everywhere. Put that back on. Great. Alright, so we're continuing on the gluing process of this. So what you can do is put some glue here. Put this piece here like that. So you can see how that glued. Next, go ahead and turn this thing over and put a little glue there. And then this piece will go, put the detailed part in the front. If I can just, wow. All right, there we go. Put that there. Try to get that lined up well. Good. We're getting this all figured out. Next. Well, why don't we go ahead and put some of this stuff down. There you go. Put glue on that side there. So next, put this wheel here, and the axle, of course, goes in the center of the wheel, etc. And then we're gonna put this track on there. This goes in the front. So just look and see if all of that is getting these axle type pieces are getting in the center of the track like that. Looks good to me, so let's go ahead and do the other side. Just visualize, make sure that track is going in the center, and then axle is going in the center. Great. There, that's installed. Now let's go ahead and put some glue here. We're gonna put this window here. Now, of course, you could have the window like that, or you could have the window down near the side. Now let's work on this scraper. Put a little glue there, and then good, just like that. Then go ahead and put a little glue here. Well, there you go. And then you can put that scraper on the back there. You could glue it if you wish, or you could have it scraping. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it. Why not? Well, there you go. This is available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.